everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and this is yet another What I Eat in a Week, except it is starting on a Sunday and ending on a Thursday, just because on a Friday and Saturday my family, we're doing a little staycation and I want to enjoy that and not film too much. So that's why. But this week I tried to practice intuitive eating, which is just listening to my hunger cues, eating when I'm hungry and stopping when I feel full. And in the past I kind of failed to do this because I give myself a certain time I should start eating, like 11 or 12, and that is just unhealthy for me personally because I am tying a time to when I have to eat, although I might not be hungry. But this week I tried to practice intuitive eating and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Starting off with Sunday, I started my morning off at 9 o'clock with a green juice, and it was so delicious and I made it myself. I have the recipe on the side so you guys can pause and jot that down. You can't even taste the greens. It's impeccable. I am a literal slut for a good yogurt bowl, so I have my Trader Joe's almond milk yogurt, some berries, and all the toppings. So I just lay my yogurt in the bowl, as you know, and then I just spread it around so it looks nicer. And then I added some raspberries, some blueberries, some Trader Joe's Ancient Grains granola, and then I topped it off with Costco's almond butter, which is a bang for your buck because you get such organic almond butter for such a low price. So that's amazing. Around 1 o'clock I got hungry again, so let the snacking commence. I had a bunch of edamame from Costco again, and it's just such a great source of protein and I love it. Midday slump hit me around 3 and I had to make myself a cup of coffee, and I just let it cool down and then I added some ice and some almond milk creamer. Snack number 2 coming in hot around 4 p.m. I just had some pine nut hummus and some baby carrots, and this is a duo that cannot be beat. So for dinner around 6:30 I had this meal prep with arugula, Trader Joe's salmon burgers, brown rice, tomatoes, green beans. It's just so many veggies, and then I added an avocado, half of it, on top of my bowl. I dressed it with some coconut aminos, everything but the bagel seasoning, and it was incredible despite being a week old. Happy Monday. I started my morning off with some water with a lemon in there. And then I had some leftover green juice from the day prior, and the recipe is in the clip before this. Around 12 o'clock I had my first meal of the day, which I wanted an egg and vegan sausage scramble with spinach, and I just sauteed the sausage, added a heaping of spinach because you know how spinach wilts and gets super small and everything, so you gotta add a lot. I then added the egg and then I scrambled the eggs, and it was a beautiful creation. As for the finishing touches, I added some pickled onions, and you guys know how much I love pickled onions. They are great for gut health and they're super easy to make. I will link a recipe below, but I just topped that on top of the scramble and my avocado toast, and it was a delicious first meal of the day. Very filling and great for the soul. 2 p.m. snack, I had a boatload of edamame, and then I also made myself some coffee because I did not have it in the morning. Therefore, the midday slump has to be cured by coffee. After my run around 6 o'clock, I had to get my protein in, so I made myself a smoothie bowl with a berry medley blend, whey protein, and banana. And if you guys know a good vegan protein, let me know, because I'm lactose intolerant, and no, I do not like Orgain. It tastes so nasty to me. I don't know why. The aftertaste is disgust. But I added that all into a blender, added some almond milk, and blended it. It was a lot soupier than I wanted it to be, but oh well, it was still delicious. And are you guys ready for this glow up? Bam! Look how beautiful she is. She is immaculate. She is glowing. I topped it off with raspberries, blueberries, and almond milk, almond butter, and it was delicious. So on Tuesday, I had my first meal around 12. And guys, if you guys love quesadillas like me, and you're not trying to eat too many carbs, this is the recipe for you. So I basically make an egg quesadilla, and the eggs act like a tortilla. So I just crack up 3 eggs, I mix it up, and you guys have to grab your biggest pan and oil it up. Just like spread it all around, and then you're gonna lay the eggs out, and you're gonna like try to shift it around so the egg is as big as possible. And then you're gonna add your spinach, and then I'm gonna cap the pan because the spinach needs to wilt. And then you add your cheese. I use vegan cheese from the Trader Joe's brand, and it melts so well, and I don't have the shits from dairy, you know? So I just do that, and then I let that melt, I fold it up, and then I cut it, and it becomes a beautiful quesadilla, which I serve with some avocado with everything but the bagel seasoning, some chipotle garlic salsa from Trader Joe's, and then I also had a side of blueberries, which I love blueberries, but that was an amazing breakfast. Around 1, I had some more blueberries because lately I've been obsessed. Since I haven't been having coffee in the morning, midday slump hits and I have to make coffee, and I definitely spilled when I was pouring my coffee, but almond milk and coconut creamer, and it is delish. Around 3, I had a Power Crunch bar, and these things taste like legit candy. And then I had more blueberries because it is blueberry season, question mark? I'm not sure, but these are good. For dinner around 5 p.m., I decided to try some of this cauliflower fried rice, and then I made a salmon burger on the side. And I was super impressed by this cauliflower fried rice. It tastes really good, and that's coming from a Chinese girl. Around 9 after my workout, I was having a major sweets craving, so I decided to have some dates and almond butter, and this combo is unbeatable. Hump day! Wednesday morning, I started off with iced coffee with almond milk creamer, and then I decided I wanted to make some oatmeal, so I took 1 cup of almond milk, and then I threw in half a cup of rolled oats. Rolled oats, what is happening? I let the oats get nice and thick because your girl likes her oatmeal how she likes her body type, thick. Oh my god. But then after, I just threw it in a bowl, and then I added some frozen berries. There's raspberries, blueberries, all that jazz. And then I added some almond butter, and then also some coconut flakes for the aesthetics, and it was very delicious. And then I had some more blueberries because you guys know I'm obsessed, so I just reused that clip. And then around 2 p.m. I had some of this soup that my mom made last night, and it was really good. It had a tofu and celery and cabbage, and it was super filling and delicious. Interrupting this what I eat in a week to show you guys the package I got from Vita Proteins, and I love the collagen's peptides. I've only tried it like a couple times because I'm broke and I couldn't afford like a whole bottle like this, but if you guys just join the influencer program, and I think if you have good engagement and good analytics for your social media, then you get confirmed and they send you this. So this, or like any others, they had like protein powders, coffee creamers, and it's just so clutch. So little life hack for you guys. For dinner around 5, I had some avocado toast with 2 eggs. So I fried that up and then I cut my avocado in half. This one was kind of ugly and I only used like half of half because it was like gray and I was like, that's disgusting. But anyways, I just spread that up and then I seasoned it with red pepper flakes, everything but the bagel seasoning, which is crack. And then I topped the eggs on top and added sriracha, and it was a yummy dinner. Around 8 p.m. I went to the grocery store and I found Netflix and chilled Ben & Jerry's dairy-free ice cream. And when I tell you, this is literally the best ice cream ever. It is. You guys have to get it. Thursday morning, I'm going to be honest, I wasn't feeling too hot, so around 11:30 I had my dad make me some green tea, and this is his specialty, which he emphasizes that it's very expensive. It's like $1,000, and I feel guilty for drinking it, but it was very good and it really soothed my tummy. So around 1 p.m. I still wasn't hungry, but I had a cooking bug, so I made some vegan dark chocolate peanut butter cup thingies. But honestly, they taste like a perfect bar with chocolate on top, but nonetheless, they're so good. I'm gonna put the ingredients on the side and link the video below. Around 2:30, I finally had my first real meal of the day. I decided that I wanted a loaded omelet with spinach and tomatoes, so I just welted the spinach and tomatoes on the saucepan, added the eggs, and then added some vegan mozzarella shreds. Super good, melts amazingly. And then I topped it off with some pickled onions, and it was a very delicious meal. Around 3, I tried one of these things and, well, I never liked these growing up.
Sesame ball.
Wait,
it's a red bean inside.
I never liked these growing up, but let's try it.
It's really good. You gotta try it. It's a red bean inside. Tasty. Try it. Good? Good.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's chewy, right? No, I eat 2 or 3 already. I can't. Yeah.
For dinner, I had some of this vegan Chinese food that my mom brought home. It's green beans, brown rice, and vegan fish made out of like tofu or soy or something. But it was super good, and that was dinner. So that was everything I had from Sunday to Thursday. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.